Dean Gerstenberger, I'd like to introduce from the School of Community Health Sciences. Dean.
Well, good evening, everyone. It is my distinct pleasure to present the Alumna of the Year Award to Ms. Jodi Tyson, who is a graduate of the School of Community Health Sciences, specifically the Masters of Public Health program in 2006. So I thought a little bit about what I could say about Jodi, and it's slightly overwhelming the amount of things she has done. So I'm going to choose of just a few of those to talk about. One, I think she's an advocate for those who can't speak for themselves. She is a provider of services for those who have none, and just a tremendous asset to our community. So I want to highlight just 3 things that she's done of the many that she's been involved in. So Jodi is first a registered lobbyist and an advocate for so many wonderful things in our community. First is she's really an advocate for violence against women, and has been for the over 10 years that I've known her. In that capacity, she's looked at different laws and policies, and also sits on the board of directors for the Rape Crisis Center. Just one of the things she does. Second is she had a position as one of the grants managers for the Department of Health and Human Services here at the state of Nevada, and her job is to bring federal funding to the state of Nevada, something we desperately need and something we desperately need to continue to access. In that role, she wrote one of the very first grants in the state of Nevada targeting youth suicide prevention, to bring resources here to prevent young individuals from killing themselves. Just another thing that she has done. And last but not least, Jodi, in her current position, is the Director of Government Affairs at a little organization called 3 Square Food Bank, you might have heard of. Okay, so this is also a relatively new organization, only been around for about 10 years. She leads a team of individuals who try and access federal funding to bring that to the state of Nevada, to bring food to people who do not have food to eat. Some of the programs that she has developed in this capacity include the school breakfast program, so kids can eat before they can learn. The summer meal program. A lot of our children here in the Valley only are receiving food at school and don't have food in the summer or on the weekends. This is one of the services that she has done to provide meals to those children. And another is really accessing those, what we call SNAP benefits, the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, used to be food stamps, which basically does federal reimbursement for food. And so this year, one of the things I know she's extremely proud of is that program alone, due to her work in the state of Nevada, will provide 1 million meals to children in our state. Unbelievable. Okay. 3 Square alone will be distributing, pushing up on 50 million pounds of food to needy families in our community due to the hard work of Jodi, her team, and her commitment to the community. I've known her for over 10 years. She's a personal friend. She's a wonderful community member, and I could not be more proud to present this award to Jodi Tyson on behalf of the School of Community Health Sciences at UNLV.
Good evening. I was fortunate enough to know my life's purpose before I went to college. I have always wanted to advocate for policies that improved the health and safety of women and children in the U.S. And UNLV helped put me on that path. As I reflect back on my time at UNLV, as far back as my days as a wide-eyed teenage undergrad, I was the girl who wanted to change the whole country at once. My professors wanted me to start with my own community. So I volunteered on political campaigns, and I got to know many other volunteers who were affiliated with nonprofit organizations. And they were involved because they saw the opportunities, successes, and challenges in implementing policy on a local level, and I was hooked. I interned and eventually went to work for a nonprofit and found opportunities to partner with UNLV. Some years later, I worked under Dr. Mary Guinan at the Nevada Public Health Foundation who became the founding dean of the School of Community Health Sciences. It's always good to know the dean. She was a champion of community health promotion, and she surrounded herself with faculty and students who were like-minded in their commitment to the community. I was lucky to be included in the first cohort of students accepted to the Masters of Public Health degree program. In my 20 years of nonprofit experience, I have worked for stellar nonprofit organizations like 3 Square Food Bank, always alongside passionate coworkers, providing resources and services to women and children so they could lead healthier, safer lives. The greatest lesson in all of this is that I realized I could affect the greatest change in policy at the state and federal level when I had the best understanding of how that policy is implemented on a local level. So all of my years of biostatistics, research methods, and program evaluation have really paid off. So thank you, Dr. Gerstenberger. The growth of the School of Community Health Sciences these last 10 years is a testament to their commitment to the community and to the success of their students. As an informal sounding board and as a preceptor to students who are interning in community-based settings, I hope to help them set a path for the future generations of public health professionals fulfilling their life's purpose in our community. And for this amazing honor today, I thank UNLV, President Len Jessup, Dr. Sean Gerstenberger, Mary Guinan, all of the wonderful mentors that I have had, and all of the faculty, staff, and administration of the School of Community Health Sciences for giving me life, unwavering support, and abundant love. I thank my parents, my husband, my daughter, and all of my family that are here tonight, all of my friends, and my colleagues. Thank you very much.